Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today we've got to sell this. It's an Harley Davidson XL883 Iron. Cracking colour scheme, finished off in the matte black. Really nice. Tiny little bit of corrosion just on the front fender there, but they do get them. They are designed for America, but they do look great in the UK. Fantastic bikes, and they sound wicked, and we'll get to that in a couple of seconds. Just to go through some of the details of the bike, it is a 2013 13 plate bike. It's got some lovely extras. Stage 1, so you've got the Vance and Hines exhaust, you've got the intake, and then on the other side, you can't see it, but it has got the tuning kit on there as well. Fantastic, stunning sounding, great moving. So with it being a 13 plate bike, this has done 15,113 miles. Best thing about these Harleys with all these extra bits on is the noise, and that's what we will do right now. Right, let's do it. So guys, you've heard it, you've seen it. It's also got a fresh set of tyres. All you need to do, bob down to Jordanbikes, just give it a buy. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.